All right, I can tell you all about all the features, but really, how does it actually work on different surfaces? I have 3 examples of flooring here for you. We have the bare floors, which is in this case vinyl, I believe. We have flat rugs, and I have a plush carpet here. This vacuum is really not meant for that plush carpet, but I'll show you that it doesn't give up, and it actually does vacuum. Now, we are very familiar with the performance of the M1 because, again, this is the same model, same power, same motor as the C3s, the outgoing C3 models. And mostly I want to get into this, but let me show you the combination floor tool that it comes with. This floor head, again, with one tap of this pedal, you can switch between a hard floor or a soft floor. Right now we are at the in the setting for the hard floors. The bristles are out, so I'm going to start there and then move my way over here. For bare floors, suction can be all the way to the top. This is going to be easy, one pass, no surprise. Good. Now switch this and you will notice that I'm lifting the rug. Remember, suction settings. Not only that, you have a bleeder valve. So if it's still too hard, there we go. There you go. Done. When a vacuum is too powerful for its own good, this is what happens. Okay, again, we're not supposed to be able to do this, but I'm on a lower suction setting. I'm on the second from the bottom. We're good. We're okay. We've done it. Wonderful. Again, no surprise there. We knew this vacuum is very, very capable. Now let me show you this larger than life Parquet twister. It's called the Parquet Twister XL for bare floors only. Look, this will not even move on a soft surface, so I'm not even going to bother showing you anything on those surfaces. But let's see how it does here. I mean, come on, it's easy. This is just so easy, right? That's the whole point. You can get in here and it lays flats. There we go. There we go. So, yes. It moves, it maneuvers, it's very easy. It's kind of like vacuuming a cloud. I'm telling you, it's really easy. Now, how does it do with pet hair? I have a little pet hair here. There's a bit of a trick to this. Because of the way most of these vacuum floor heads are designed, when it comes to picking up things like pet hair like this, and I have some of it, just pushing this thing forwards, you're going to plow all that dirt. But watch what happens if you do it properly. You don't even actually have to touch this with the floor head. Powerful suction.